Hi, here we are at DMD Autowerks again. Today we're working on a BMW 535 series E39 V8, and we've got the motor out, as you can see. It's all been dismantled. The engine number is written, the body number is written on the manufacturer's data plate. Might be a bit hard to see, but there it is. E39 5 Series, 12th month 96, WBADE 220 0XBR 70175. Got the original BBS wheels that came out on this BMW. These are the old engine mounts. Got two new ones to install before the engine goes in. This is the engine out of the E39 535 series, 5 Series BMW. See, it's this engine has just been sleeved. It's got 8 new sleeves, and pistons are specially matched because originally this was an alloy steel block. And we decided just to put cast iron sleeves in it because it'll last forever, and it's much more reliable, and it's better than new actually. The alloy steel is very unreliable. You see we've got new timing chain guides, new guides here, new oil pump chain, same with the other side. We've got new sleeves. You can see the honed cross hatch on the bore. That's a piston. You can see the block's been chemically cleaned. It's got a new plastic top plate. So we've got our new head gaskets here, ready for installation. It's a left and a right head gasket. We've got a new set of Victor Ryan's head bolts for our car. And there's the gaskets for the water pump and the timing cover. And there's our water tubes, etc. And our cylinder heads with new chains fitted, new chain fitted. And the cylinder heads ready to go, and the cylinder heads are as good as new. And of course there's our timing cover just there. Look at this is the box for the new engine mounts. Here's the engine mount here, my hand. Got our water pump assemblies all cleaned up and ready to go. It's all been done and cleaned, ready for installation. And there's our upper timing case and tensioner bearings and whatnot, and various hardware. This is the back of the block. It's got a new crankshaft seal. Everything's ready to go there. This is the engine number for this engine in the 5 Series BMW. It's a 535 V8. The engine, there's a number stamped here, and it's A35R, and then we've got I think it's it's a 128417. These are the numbers on the right hand side of the cylinder block as you look forward in the car. You can see the numbers 1745871C, denoting it was an alloy steel block, and that pretty well explains that. You see the block's all spotlessly clean.